Hello students, this is Nishi Mishra, your social studies teacher at Mount Ritrasi School, Jhansi. So, welcome back to your social studies class, children. In the previous class, we discussed about the hierarchy of Maratha Empire, and we discussed the third battle of Panipat, in which the Balaji Bajirao or Nana Sahib died. Today we are going to discuss about the Marathas' failure and decline. Why did Marathas failed in expanding their empire into complete India? See, children, there are many reasons behind it. First thing was that the Maratha did not maintain the friendly relationship with the local powers. They just only wanted to expand their power. However, they never wanted to have any friendly relationship with the local rulers of India. On the other hand, they supported Britishers in India. The Marathas' army were short of supplies of the वॉर मटेरियल. उनके पास जो है प्रॉपर आर्म्स नहीं थे, प्रॉपर आर्टिलरी नहीं थी, और लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती थी एंड दे वर नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग, नो प्रॉपर प्लानिंग एंड नो प्रॉपर आर्टिलरीज वर विद देम. देन दे वीकेंड by infighting among their chiefs. मतलब the Maratha Empire was divided into the chiefs. तो वो जो चीफ थे वो आपस में ही लड़ाई करने में लगे हुए थे. दे वर नेवर यूनाइटेड टू फाइट विद द अदर राइवल्स. The failure of the Marathas to become an all-India power allowed the English East India Company to become a strong political power in India. Marathas wanted to expand their power throughout the India. However, उनकी जो ये चाह थी उसने it paved the way for the Britishers to gain the political power in India. 1770s में Marathas re-emerged to establish their political supremacy in North India. However, after the death of Madhavrao I, the Maratha power declined. And taking advantages of this situation, the Britishers now started interfering into the matters of the Marathas. इसके वजह से जब मराठास पहले तो ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ ही थे, बट एज द मराठा पावर डिक्लाइंड आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ माधवराव फर्स्ट, ब्रिटिशर्स started interfering into the political affairs of Marathas, and that is why now the Marathas declared war against the Britishers, and there were 3 Anglo-Maratha wars. The first Maratha war started in 1775 and ended in 1782. However, it was a failure and no proper victor was decided in this war. मतलब कौन जीता कौन हारा इसका कुछ पता नहीं चल पाया. In the second Maratha war that started in 1803 and ended in 1806, the Britishers succeeded in weakening the Maratha chiefs, and they signed different treaties, different agreement with the different chiefs of the Marathas. During the third Maratha war that started in 1817 and ended in 1818, the Peshwa Bajirao tried to organize all the Maratha chiefs. मतलब वो ये चाहते थे कि अब यहाँ पर जो है मराठा पावर अगर यूनाइट हो जाएगी then they will be able to defeat Britishers. लेकिन क्या हुआ कि इस वॉर में जो है जो चीफ थे वो एक साथ नहीं हो पाए, and Bajirao got defeated in this war and was removed from his position, and he was sent to Bithur near Kanpur, and the office of Peshwa was also abolished. Then the British carved out means taken the state of Satara from the Bajirao's territories, and वहाँ पर किसके शिवाजी के डिसेंडेंट को थ्रोन पर बिठा दिया. Then Maratha chiefs were forced to sign the treaty, the subsidiary treaty with the Britishers, and that gave all their districts of north and south of the Narmada river to the Britishers. So these were the reasons behind the Marathas' failure and decline. Okay students, tomorrow we are going to finish up with this chapter, and I'll tell you about the Anglo-Gurkha wars, annexation of Burma and annexation of Punjab. Thank you so much for today. Have a good day.